Hey everybody, welcome back to the Printing Workshop. I'm Matthew, and today we're going to be showing you how to change a paper feed roller kit on the new VersaLink B625. First thing you're going to want to do is take out that paper tray. Now, unlike the older Xeroxes, this one, when you get it to the end, you have to lift up on the paper tray and pop it out like that. Now, up inside is your pickup assembly, and that is where your paper feed rollers are. So on this one, there's an orange little round handle up inside there. And pull to the right, and then you'll let the feed wheel assembly swing down a little bit, and then you'll keep coming to the right a little bit, and you'll hear kind of a snap. Just slide it all the way to the right and off of the shaft, and there's your feed wheel pickup assembly. Now to go back in with your feed wheel pickup assembly, you're going to keep it standing straight up with the orange handle to the right. Up inside, right before that assembly slides all the way to the left, there's a little black tang. You have to take your second hand and push down on that tang. Be very careful, do not break it. Swing up all the way with that pickup assembly and go all the way to the left. You'll hear it click in place, and let it go, and then let that black tang spring back into place. And that's it on that part. Now here is your separator. I don't know if this will come with the kit that you get, but if you're needing to know how to take that out, it's pretty simple. There's an orange handle here. You'll push it in and lift up on this front piece of plastic and pull straight out. And that's your separator assembly. Those two little black pieces of rubber right there. Now to go back in with a new one, pretty simple. You'll just take that dowel on that left side, put it into that hole, and then swing that whole gray assembly back down and into the drawer. Click it in place. So once you're done with all that, you can reinsert your drawer. You'll go into the machine at a little bit of an angle up. Once you make contact, swing that drawer down a little bit, give it a push in, and you're done. Hey guys, if you want to see more quick how-to videos on this same model, click right here. As always, thank you so much to our viewers for watching our how-to videos here at the Printing Workshop. If these videos help you in any way, please like and subscribe.